everyone, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And got something interesting for you today. I've got a snap-on smile, but it's in two sections. So I'm going to show you how you can actually get the smile of your dreams, and you can do a snap-on by keeping some of your teeth out of the appliance and having two parts so it will fill up your smile. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the patient's picture before. This is the patient's teeth as she came in. If you notice, her teeth are very straight and they're actually white, and her two front teeth are gorgeous. But what she does not like is the fact that her two laterals are small, and she really wants a fuller smile. She wants everything to look symmetrical. Okay, we got Jordan here. Hi, Jordan.
Hey.
All right, Jordan's gorgeous. And tell us what it was about your smile that you didn't like, because people would look at you and think they were crazy because you really have a pretty smile.
Thank you. But I honestly just didn't like two small teeth. It just is always something that has bothered me, and I just wanted to fix it. So I have a prettier, bigger smile.
So your two small teeth, and we had talked about doing veneers, but we decided not to do that because of cost. Okay, so we're trying to save her money, and of course this is a removable appliance, and we decided we're going to go ahead and zoom in here. And you can see her two front teeth are really nice size. And let's get closer. You can see how her two front teeth are very nice size, but it's her two side teeth. They're tiny, right? So we want to go ahead and fill that in. So what we're going to do is we're going to make two pieces. We're going to go from the lateral back, and we're going to go from the lateral back, and we're not going to put these into the snap-on smile, which is kind of an interesting concept because most people think of it as just one big appliance. Okay. So here's a impression. What we do is we take an impression of the patient's teeth before. We send them for digital impressions. They're incredibly accurate. And again, you can see her two side teeth are small. So what we did, usually you'll see the snap-on as one piece, but in this particular instance, we have created two sections. So we'll place one in, and we'll place the other in, leaving her two front teeth out of the appliance, and it's going to blend perfectly. She hasn't seen it, but this is another way of correcting your smile to make it a lot more natural. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try these in. Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, so this is the right side, and as you can see, we did not alter your teeth at all, right?
Right.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead, and this is just going to snap in. You can see one side's in. Now remember, we didn't touch these, and we're going to go on to the other side. And we're going to let you, the viewers, preview this before she sees it, and it fits perfect. Bite down, smile, take a look at this. What we've done is we've now created symmetry, but these two teeth are her own teeth. And I want you to go ahead and talk.
Hey, my name is Jordan. No lisp. That's good.
Okay, are you ready?
I am.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and pull up the, we're going to sit you up, and you are going to take a look at them for the first time. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
The big reveal. Okay, turn that mirror over.
Wow. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It looks so good. Thank you. Wow. I love it.
You like them? Yeah, awesome. So did it give you what you wanted?
Yes, it did. Exactly.
All right, and does it match? I think it matches really well.
It does.
Yes.
It does. You can like hardly tell if there's anything.
You're going to use them for pictures?
Of course.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yay. All right, perfect. High five. They look awesome.
Thank you.
All right, so this is how you can get a snap-on smile, and you don't have to cover all your teeth. I'm Dr. Terri Alani. Thanks for subscribing.